Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you best free software to find and remove all empty folders present in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say I have two folders on my desktop screen. So let me try to open it. So you can see it's empty. Let me open the second folder also. So this too is an empty folder. So in order to find and remove all empty folders present in Windows computer, what you need to do is just open any web browser. And in the Google search, search for one application name as Remove Empty Directories by Jonas John. And on the first list, you'll see here the developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here tons of download options. So the first one is a installer version. Second one is an installer version. And the third one is a portable version. So if you don't want to install on your hard disk drive, then you can get this portable. And if you want to install on your hard disk drive, then you can get the installer version. So I'm going to download the portable versions. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. You can see here the first file is the application. Just double click on it. Now you can see this kind of user interface. So now just click on this browse. And you can select your respective drive or folder. So right now I'm gonna select a particular folder. You can select the enter drive like C drive, D drive, or complete drive also, or you can select a particular folder also. So I'm gonna select the desktop folder. After click on OK. Now just click on the scan folder. So you can see here, it has automatically detected all the empty folders present on the particular folder. So now just click on this delete folder. Now you can see the two empty folders which were present on my desktop screen has been removed successfully. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free software to find and remove all empty folders present in Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.